how to download friends and followers on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download friends and followers on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click settings and privacy, and then settings, and here just go down until you find download your information and click the select all, and then just click this one, friends and followers, and go down, click create file, and after you click on it just wait and it will be created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.